Hi everyone, welcome back. In Cricut Design Space today, we're going to take a look at how we can hide different layers of our design to modify it. So here we have a design on the screen that says love in a mug, and over here we have all the different layers that make up that design. If, for example, we wanted to lose the comma that's here, what we need to do is we need to go over to the layers bar at the side, and if we hover over the part of the design that is the comma, we can see it gives us a small little eye icon. If we now click on the little eye icon, we can see now that the comma has disappeared and there's a line through it which shows that that layer has been hidden. So we could do the same again if we wanted to remove two of the hearts, and as we can see now they've disappeared off our design, but they still show in our layers panel. So at any time, if you wanted to pop them back on, if you were just trying it out to see if you preferred it with or without the hearts or with or without the comma, then all you need to do is go back into the layers panel, hover over the eye icon, select it again, and there we can see it's popped the comma back. And this is a great way just to modify a design and to see how you want it to look and if it looks better with or without different elements. And the great thing is when you click to make it, because you've temporarily hidden them, they don't show on the mat, so therefore when you go to make your project, then Cricut is not going to cut them out. But obviously if you change your mind, they are still in the layers panel, so at any point you can reselect the little eye icon and your elements will reappear. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.